Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio F200. Okay, let's start by making sure we are in the timekeeping mode. It should look like this, the day and then month, date, hour, minute, second. But if not, then you can press the mode button and hold, and it will jump to the timekeeping mode. Okay, next press and hold the adjust button on the top left, this one. And let's start by setting the second. So for this one, you can reset the second using the start button. If it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with adding a minute. But if it is less than 29, then it will be 0 without additional minute. So let's wait 30 like this, additional minute. And yes, that one without additional minute. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the hour. So for this one, you can increase the number using the start button like this. And yeah, sorry, you cannot use the light button to decrease. So if I want to set back to 21, then I can just press and hold until, yes, 21, okay. And then next, press the mode button and now we are setting the minute. You can press the start button to increase. You can press it and hold, sorry, to speed up the process. And let's say I want to set to 40, so yes, release and then one by one like this, okay. And then press again the mode button and now is the year. Also using the start button to increase the number, and if it is already passing your year setting, then press and hold until 2099 and it will be back to 2000, so don't worry about that. Now let's set to 2025, okay, and then press the mode button and now is the month, also the same thing. So let me set back to 10, again mode button and now is the date, also the same thing. And yes, let me set back to October the 2nd. Okay, press again, now back to the setting of the second. If you're done with the settings, then you can press the adjust button and done. You have set the time and also the calendar of this watch, and the day will be calculated by itself because this one has a full automatic calendar up to 2099. Okay, and one more thing, you can also change the time format from this view using the start button. So this one is 9 PM and this one is 21. And yes, that's all for the tutorial. I will also make the more detailed one, so don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.